This video is going to show you how to remove and replace a battery in the Jeep Cherokee. Let's get ready to remove the battery. The battery is located on the driver's side, front of the vehicle, right next to the washer reservoir. 10mm nut, loosen that up on the negative battery terminal. Take that out, put it off to the side. Gonna move over to your positive. Same thing, 10mm nut, loosen it up, wiggle it off, put it off to the side. Now we get to remove the battery blanket. Now let's get ready to remove the battery tie down. 10mm bolt with a plastic hold down. Move that, set it off to the side. Let's get ready to remove that battery. And there it is. You just want to check your battery tray, make sure it's not cracked, kind of clean some debris so that battery sits down nice and flat. Take your battery, rest it down in your tray, make sure it's nice and flat and locked in. Let's get ready to install the battery hold down. Let's tighten that 10mm bolt. Let's make sure that battery is secure. Give it a little wiggle, good to go. Now let's install a battery blanket. Let's clean those battery terminal posts. And we can clean the battery terminals themselves. We can install those terminals onto the battery one by one and tighten both of those 10mm nuts. Just get it snug, give it a little wiggle test. Good. Same here, snug. A little wiggle test, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.